If you just got your first PC or laptop, gamer or not, there is something you should do before installing any program or game. The first thing is to update your computer's drivers, and you have several ways to do it. The most common option is to use Windows Update, but I warn you that sometimes it can cause problems. Although it allows you to update drivers, it does not always download the latest or best versions. It is something like a wildcard that sometimes does not work as you would like it to. Another option is to update from the device manager. You just need to open it, find the device you want to update, right-click and select Update Driver. It works, but it will almost always tell you that you already have the latest driver, although this is not always true. Now, if you prefer something more efficient, I recommend using third-party software. I've tried several, but my favorites are Driver Booster and Snappy Driver Installer. Driver Booster is a light, safe, and well-known program. It has a free version that lets you download the main drivers, albeit one by one. Since it's free, it doesn't let you install all the drivers at once, and some are locked unless you pay for the Pro version. It works well for current PCs, but I wouldn't recommend it if you have an older computer because it might install drivers that are too new, and that could cause conflicts. Then there is Snappy Driver Installer, which has two versions, Elite and a more complete one that weighs between 40 and 50 GB that allows you to install drivers without the need for internet. This program is a gem for updating drivers in both old and new computers. It does take a little longer to update, but it offers the same options as Driver Booster Pro, only without paying. Highly recommended. But be careful. For the graphic card, I recommend you not to use these programs. You'd better do it manually. You just need to go to the manufacturer's website, look for your graphics card model in the support section, download the driver, and install it. It is a simple process, and on our page we have a video that explains how to do it without bugs or freezing problems. With all these tips, you are now ready to run any program or game without problems. Like and share this video if you liked it.